most property owners think about architecture is mainly about making beautiful drawings. Floor plans, 3D renderings, exterior design, pretty elevations, beautiful spaces. And yes, those matter, but the part that saves you most money is usually the part you don't see. And most property owners don't see that part, because a lot of architecture works happen quietly behind the scenes. Hi, I'm Architect Pia. I'm a licensed Filipino architect. I created the Build Cost Readiness Check to help you find out if you're ready to build or not. Access that through the link in the description. Before a house, a clinic, a cafe, or commercial space gets built, hundreds of decisions already had to happen. Where should structure sit on the lot? How will the sun hit the rooms? Where will rainwater go? Will the ceiling height work with the beams? Can the plumbing lines actually pass through the layout? Can the air conditioning placement make sense? Will the budget match the finish level the client wants? These are not glamorous questions, but these are the questions that protect the project. Because in construction, unclear decisions become expensive decisions. A misplaced drain can affect waterproofing. A rushed ceiling design can clash with plumbing lines and electrical lines. A beautiful kitchen layout cannot function well if appliance clearances are wrong. A room can look good on paper but feel hot, cramped, or impractical in real life. This is why architecture is not just about making spaces look beautiful. It is also about making sure the design can survive real construction and real life. When people see a calm construction project, they usually think the contractor is just organized. But calm construction usually starts earlier than that. It starts during planning. Before the first hollow block is laid, someone should already be checking the drawings first. Someone should already be aligning the scope. Someone should already be clarifying the budget. Someone should already be preparing the details. Someone should already be asking what could go wrong here, because construction gets chaotic when the team is forced to decide everything on site. For example, if the electrical layout is not coordinated with the ceiling design, the workers will install lights in awkward places. If the plumbing layout is not checked early, the toilet, sink, or drain location may need adjustments during construction. If the client hasn't finalized the material selection, the budget can suddenly change. If the drawings are incomplete, mangungulit yung mga workers on site kasi hindi nila alam ang gagawin nila dahil walang direction through the drawings. And when every small decisions happen on site, the project slows down. Stress increases, costs move, arguments start, and rework happens. Construction moves too fast for unclear information. That is why preparation matters. A lot of people associate architecture mainly with drawings. But drawings are actually communication systems. A floor plan tells your construction team where walls, doors, windows, fixtures, and furniture should go. A reflected ceiling plan affects lights, ceiling drops, aircon layouts, vents, and electrical access panels. An electrical plan affects the location of switches, outlets, lighting, appliance loads, and convenience. A plumbing plan affects drainage, water supply, waterproofing, slope, and maintenance access. A detailed drawing tells the worker exactly how something should be built. So when people say, drawing lang naman yan, I always think, ay, delikado. Because one unclear drawing can create wrong installation. One uncoordinated plan can create rework later. And rework is not just annoying. Rework costs money. That's why good drawings are not just pretty documents. They are communication tools between the owner, the architect, the engineers, the contractor, the suppliers, and the site workers. What experienced architects usually do is anticipate future problems. Because once construction starts, mistakes become expensive very quickly. So much of the work involves checking the dimensions, reviewing site conditions, clarifying client priorities, coordinating with engineers, catching conflicts between drawings, asking suppliers about actual material sizes, checking if the budget matches the design direction. thinking through how the people will use the space. The work is not always exciting to watch. Walang dramatic reveal, walang cinematic moment, walang wow effect yan. But this is where many expensive problems are avoided. But once construction starts, every mistake becomes heavier and becomes expensive. A wrong measurement can delay installation. A wrong material choice can affect maintenance in the long run. A wrong layout decision can affect daily comfort. A missing detail can create site confusion. A rushed estimate can create budget shock. Prevention is not flashy, but prevention is always cheaper than correction. Every single time. After years in architecture and construction, I learned that calm projects are not calm because everything is perfect. They are calm and stable dahil may sistema. May clear communication, may clear scope, clear drawings, clear approvals, clear responsibilities, clear next steps. Because without systems, construction becomes emotional. Because the client gets frustrated, the contractor gets confused, the workers wait for instructions, the architect keeps answering emergency questions, and the budget starts moving. So suddenly, everyone is stressed. Hindi dahil masamang mga tao yung team mo, but because sometimes the system is just too weak or walang sistema at all. This is why planning, documentation, and coordinator matter so much. They protect the client, they protect the team, they protect the budget, they protect the project from unnecessary chaos. Because construction already carries enough complexity naturally. Without systems, small misunderstandings become bigger problems later. Sometimes the most important architectural work is a part nobody notices. The site analysis, the questions, the coordination, the revisions, the technical checking, the budget alignment, the quiet preparation before anything is built. Because when these systems are working properly, projects often feel calmer. The team knows what to do, the client understands the direction, the contractor receives clear instructions, the site has fewer avoidable surprises. And that calmness is not accidental. It is usually the result of invisible work done early. So before you build, do not only ask for beautiful drawings. Ask if the project has been properly studied. Ask if the drawings were properly coordinated. Ask if the design matches the budget. Ask if the details are clear enough for construction execution. Because beautiful design can impress you, but a well-prepared project can protect you. And when you are spending millions on a build, protection matters. Access my build cost readiness check to find out if you're ready to build or not. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I share weekly design and construction lessons. So see you in my next video. Bye!